Hello and welcome back to Adventure Academy. We are about to head off and check out what we are doing in today's quests. We are going to come on over to Avery, and I think we're heading to check out the store. Let's go ahead and talk with Avery.
Woo! Looks like we got some XP and leveled up. Activities and quests are a great way to get XP and coins.
Thank you for letting us know, Avery. Good to know.
I heard that when you're a high enough level, you'll get your very own house. I can't wait.
That sounds cool. It really does, doesn't it?
All right, let's go spend our coins. I think the campus shop is right over there.
Let's go. A campus shop visit. Check out the campus shop. Our rewards is going to be a hat, 50 XP, and 200 coins. Let's accept the challenge. All right, we're going to head on over here. This is the campus shop. You can see right on top, right up over here, it says campus shop. And there's also several other stores in the marketplace area. All right, let's see what is in here.
We have everything you need to show off your school spirit.
That sounds great. All right, so we are getting the school logo t-shirt for 10 gold. Gonna click buy. And we can actually click equip this item if we want to, but it doesn't look like right now we have that option. There's a turkey backpack, which is very cool. Koala backpack as well is pretty adorable.
See you around school.
See you later. Turkey backpack will probably be going away when December rolls around. So a couple more days to go ahead and pick that up. All right, so we are done with this quest. I think we just need to go to the backpack. And then, so there's the tops here. We'll click on this, we'll equip it, and there we go. All right, talk to Avery again to finish this up, and you can see the gold feet bringing us over towards Avery. So let's go ahead and talk to Avery. Avery says
There's the bell. The other students will be arriving soon. Head back to Headmaster Hal if you want to start another quest. See you around school.
Thanks for the tour, Avery. We'll see ya. All right. And we have the hat now, too. So if we want to equip the hat, we can go ahead and come on over to our backpack. And you can go ahead and these are the tops, bottoms, outfits, shoes. And then we can also separate our other items to face, headwear, hand, neck, wrist. So let's go ahead and equip this. And let's put our backpack on as well for right now. And then we'll probably switch this up in a quest or two. All right, let's talk to Headmaster Howell again.
Hello. Just the student I was hoping to see. I'm sure you've noticed the portals that have appeared around Adventure Academy.
What are they for?
They take you to the Astralands, a place full of curious creatures called Furopians. They're old friends of the Academy and have been noticing some unusual things going on. Would you mind checking in with them?
Sure. Who should I look for?
Well, my old friend Rumor is the ambassador there. Once you go through the portal, he should be there waiting.
Rumor. Got it.
Ah, it looks like Memo wants to go with you. She's a creature from the Astralands who got stuck on this side of the portal. She knows everything from our kiosk. She'll be a big help in Astraland. Why don't you take her with you?
Hi, Mimo. Wanna adventure with me?
That sounds like a yes. Try interacting with one of the portals around Adventure Academy.
Will do. All right, so we are going to accept to visit the Astralands, interact with the portal to travel to the Astralands. Let's accept that. All right, so our quest log has updated. There are daily activities that are going to happen soon as well. You do have to get through the first walkthrough, though, of different stuff you can do. So the portals are going to look just like this to head to Astralands. And Astralands is a really cool place to go ahead and tame pets and use them in order to tame other pets and then help out the Astra pets as well. All right, so help Grimoire. So we're going to get the backstory of the Astralands here. Well, we probably won't spend too much time. I think we'll come back to the Astralands later.
Welcome to the Astralands, a world full of friendly creatures named Furopians, and their brave pets, the starlings. Until recently, Furopians and starlings had long visited the Adventure Academy to gain knowledge and become wiser. This Furopian here is named Gromor the Defender. He's the protector of the Star Willow Tree, a tree full of powerful stars and the food source for all starlings. These curious creatures love learning and help each other to get even stronger and smarter through knowledge battles, their favorite way to play. Starlings especially love exploring and discovering new things with curious students like you. Now that you're finally here, let's begin your adventure.
All right, so you can use WASD. You can also use the arrow keys if your computer has the arrow keys. The spacebar is going to be jump, and so we can jump on over. For some of the other games, it's going to be that way as well. So here is Rumor, and this is who we're talking to right now. Rumor says, "Welcome to Astralands, specifically the lush and plentiful town of Botanica. Thanks, Headmaster Howell sent me." Indeed, there's been talk about something amiss in the Astralands. We must be on guard. Which Intellepet would you like to train first? So we can choose Petalpew, Kindlefox, or Hydrock. I think I'm going to go with Kindlefox here. Petalpaw is really cute. Hydrock is really cool. I haven't seen Hydrock in the wild on my other account, so let's go ahead and choose Kindlefox, though. Yes, let's choose this as a starter pet. Rumor says, "Splendid choice. Now just down the path is a Buttonhoof. Use your Intellepet to train it in a knowledge battle. If you're lucky, it might even join your party. You can count on me." Marvelous. When you're done, head down to the Star Willow Tree to find Gromor the Defender. Thanks, Rumor. All right, let's head on down. So these we're going to get into a battle here, and these Intellepet battles are absolutely amazing. I love this. There are actions that you can gain as you grow up in level, and it's level 1 versus level 1. What color is hippopotamus milk? So these boosts are quite amazing. As you learn different videos and other things like that. A lot of really great information. I think it's pink. And so I'm not going to watch any of the videos as we do this. We're going to use Graceful Nudge here. And we beat Buttonhoof. Woohoo! But the video content in this game is stellar, and the amount of information you learn is great. Your team gained XP. Kindlefox is now level 2. Woohoo! Kindlefox learned Fire Spin. You received 25 coins. You gained 25 XP? Yes, 100% chance. That's great. Buttonhoof is considering joining your team. Buttonhoof is thinking. Buttonhoof is still thinking. Yay! Buttonhoof has decided to join you on your adventure. Awesome. So we have 2 animals now. The rarest pet that I have seen is 5% chance to catch a unicorn. Dragons, I think, are 10%. So, yeah, there's different rarities as far as the likelihood that you're going to catch a pet. All right, let's go ahead and come on over here, guys. Missing some gems and stuff, but that's okay. I'll go pick them up another day. Gigantic peach over there. The fruit is going to help you figure out exactly where you are going and where you want to go when we look at the map.
There you go, tree. Eat up, little starlings. Nothing beats a fresh power berry. What's that? No, it can't be.
Step away, Gromor. I found a way to take the stars from your precious tree. Now all its power will be mine.
Vextra, don't. Think about the starlings.
Using stars to make fruit is a waste. I know how to use the stars' real powers. Enough talk. Let's do this. What happened? The stars were supposed to come to me, not fly all over the place. No biggie. I'll just find the stars before you do.
I'll never let that happen.
We'll see about that, won't we? Come on, Glitch. We're going star hunting. Laters.
We've got to save Star Willow. The Starlings have no hope without it. We've got to get all the stars before Vextra does. Please, you'll help us, won't you?
All right, so we have to help Gromor in order to get the stars to help the tree grow back up nice and healthy. Let's talk to Gromor
Hiya, buddy.
and see what he'd like for us to do. Without stars to power our tree, all the Intellipets will suffer. We've got to restore it before Vextra returns. Oh no, how can I help? Thanks, buddy. The first thing we need to do is gather up all the stars that the tree lost. No problem. Where should I start? Thanks for helping out, pal. I saw a star fall near the path to your left. Would you mind sending it back to the tree? I'm on it. Alright, so first we're going to do is look for some stars, which you might see it right over there. And that's what we're going to start in our next video. Please be sure to like, please be sure to subscribe as we continue this awesome learning adventure. Adventure Academy is an amazing learning tool. The videos are extremely gripping and exciting with a lot of very cool content, and it works really well in homeschooling, or if you want to give your child just a little bit more educational exposure. Any questions, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next Monday as we continue to explore Adventure Academy. Take care. Bye-bye, y'all.